sparrows. You can hear them. They're all in the lilac bush. And they go eat under the apricot tree right there. We've got bird feeders under there, and they love to eat under there. They're so cute. Tons of them. They're all hiding in the little lilac bush. Oh, babies. Guys hiding in there. Yeah, little babies are in the lilac bush. Oh, it's so pretty. And look at that. Pear trees covered in grapevines and producing so many. Look at that. While the pumpkin plant grows up from down below. How beautiful is that? Oh, this little spot we planted in sand is just beautiful. It's growing so well with beautiful raspberries, grapes, pumpkins, pears. Look at all that. Isn't that beautiful? It's just such a neat thing to walk into from there. Oh, what a gorgeous, gorgeous place we have. We're so blessed to have this Garden of Eden. You know? We are. It's just beautiful. Yeah, by the tree for the birds. Carpets of mints everywhere. As everything grows beautifully. We've got artichokes. As we come into this wonderful, my favorite spot in the garden, right here. I just love it. And all kinds of things grow, including eggplant there. Oh, a cricket thinks because it's still dark in here that it's nighttime. That was a cricket. And are beautiful. Look at these guys. Haha, they go forever. The filbert hazelnuts. And we'll have gojies come back. We had tons of gojies in here. Everybody's been eating the giant gojies, but they're going to start producing again. Our second batch will come as we come through this beautiful little forest. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? It's so beautiful in here. Look at this. This is my favorite part of the garden under the big canopy apricot tree. We have this little rainforest that every plant loves it in. We got quinoa right there. We've got strawberries. We've got tomatoes. We've got primrose, evening primrose. We've got our beautiful little cherry right there. That's our bush cherry. You know, isn't it just gorgeous? This effect of walking in. This is my favorite little part. I want to create this throughout the garden. Everybody loves how cool and wonderful it is in here. We had dozens and dozens of families and visitors from all over the U.S. Oh, gosh, yesterday we had a family from Maryland. He works for C-SPAN. They filmed the tour with another family that's going to do 5 acres down in Sanpete County. Liz and her son. They're so excited to bring everybody to the school to learn how to design their 5 acres. Our classes will have so much fun helping with that, surveying it with the transit. We're really going to have a wonderful year. The rest of 2018 at Utah Valley Permaculture Classroom Gardens and Greenhouse. Look up the description of the design courses at www.permaculturedesignschool.org. Create a little Garden of Eden like this for yourself.